When you bring a medical malpractice case against a doctor whom you believe caused you significant harm, will you ever have to confront the doctor directly, either during his pretrial question and answer session known as deposition or at trial? You want to know the answer? Come join me as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney, and the answer is, at deposition, no, you will never have to confront the doctor during his pretrial question and answer session. In fact, I highly recommend to my clients that they do not show up for the doctor's deposition. Why? Because they're going to get angry, they're going to be upset, they're going to want to lean over across the table and slap him silly because they're going to be so frustrated listening to the doctor give his answers and his explanations. Instead, go home. Don't worry about it. I'll call you over the next few days to let you know exactly what it is that the doctor said. Now, let's focus on what happens at trial. The answer is, at trial, you will indirectly see the doctor, because there will be times when the doctor will be in court. He'll have to testify, and he may choose to sit and observe the proceedings during the course of trial. Now, as you go into and out of the courtroom, you are going to see the doctor each and every time. During the duration that the doctor is on the witness stand, you are going to see the doctor while he's answering questions. So you will have the opportunity not to confront him directly, but to see him, to observe him on the witness stand, and if he participates by sitting in the courtroom, to observe himself, to observe the proceedings. Yes, you will have an opportunity to see him every time there's a break, in the morning when you start and when you finish for the day. There's only one entrance to the courtroom, and everybody has to use the same entrance and exit. So, to answer the question, during pretrial testimony, no, you do not have to confront the doctor. During trial, you don't have to confront the doctor, but you will see him on a regular basis if he's going to be in court on a regular basis. So why do I share this information with you? I share it with you because there are some injured patients who bring a lawsuit who say, wait a second, I'm terrified of interacting with the doctor. I don't want to have any conversation with him. I don't want any interaction with him. And that's the response that I give them. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in these civil lawsuits involving medical malpractice cases here in New York. You know, I recognize you're watching this video because you probably have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you have not yet started a lawsuit because you have questions that need to be answered first, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, @oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.